welcome to Buckwired, product recommendations for your hard-earned bucks. My name is Lisette, and today we're going to be reviewing the Elite Gourmet 8-quart extra large heavy-duty electric skillet. This is something that I had to purchase recently due to blowing out my oven, and I wanted something that I would also be able to cook my pad thai in and other like big noodle dishes. I like to cook things like pad thai a lot, and I noticed that when I cook with a wok or just a regular large skillet pan, it tends to kind of burn at the bottom a little bit, and I don't like a lot of the Teflon and other surfaces that I make the pad thai with. So I wanted something that was also ceramic based, just like my previous electric skillet for pancakes. This one is nice to make bigger dishes. You can make fried rice, stir fries, noodle dishes, a whole bunch of different things on this. So I got this, and what's really nice about it is it has a really nice surface area. This is a ceramic non-stick, and it has that little honeycomb texture. And it's a great surface for cooking. It's healthier, and it won't have a lot of the metals that come out, especially with Teflon. And it comes with a glass lid. It's pretty heavy duty as well. And also the cord and temperature gauge. So in order to set this up, it's very easy. You're just going to take this temperature gauge and pop it right in here. Make sure that it's on the off button, and after that, you just plug it in, and you're ready to start. I will take this off, so I can talk about the dial gauge over here as well. So here's the temperature gauge, the off, and it goes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, so very easy. It also has this little knob, so when you do take it out, you can just pull it out without burning yourself. And it has the short cord, obviously, for safety reasons as well. And if you notice again, here is that honeycomb texture and great ceramic non-stick. And it feels really nice too. It feels pretty sturdy. So I'm really excited. I'm going to cook pad thai in it. Okay, so again, I'm making pad thai, and I'm going to set my temperature gauge at 350. There comes a little, with the skillet, there comes a little manual in here, and it just gives you the safeguard directions, the parts identification, and then the cooking times and temperatures. So it gives you everything from making bacon, baking a cake, fried eggs, scrambled eggs, roast beef, roast pork, sausages, a whole bunch of different things. So according to this, the first thing I need to do is make some eggs, and I'm going to fry them and scramble them. So it recommends a temperature of 250 to 275 for about 2 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and set it a little bit on the higher side of 275. And I can already feel it heating up pretty fast, which is nice. So unlike a lot of stoves, unless you have the really nice ones, sometimes it takes a bit for it to heat up, but this is heating up pretty well. So I'm just going to give it a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to add my oil and then start frying the eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my oil. Put a little bit more in here. Nice. Instantly cracking the eggs, which is great. This is cooking pretty fast. This is at a 275 temperature for scrambled eggs. And again, normally with scrambled eggs, I would either add, sometimes I add a little milk, sometimes I add a little bit of water. This one I'm just scrambling because it's going to go in a pad thai. So. All right, now I'm gonna add noodles in here. And this is great because it fits. Normally this is overflowing in my wok or in my saucepan. I'm gonna have this and my sauce. And as you can see, everything fits and nothing's falling out of my pan. I have plenty of space. It gets way messier when I use a wok or a pan, especially because I don't want to have to do 2 batches. I want to be able to make 2 batches at once because my family, and I love pad thai a lot. So this is working out great. Sprouts here that I've already washed, and I'm going to go ahead and just keep stirring in here. And again, this is the 8-quart size really works if you're going to be making big batches of food. So this definitely, the size is great if you need to, again, to make 2 batches instead of 1. It's a great size, and I like the high sides too because if something has a low side, it normally will flip over. This is keeping everything contained, which I like. So this is great. Okay, looks good. Just have to garnish. And this worked out really well. Ready? Okay. And garnish, and there you go. Looks great and ready to eat. A big serving of pad thai for 4 people. So after trying this out with pad thai, I think the Elite Gourmet skillet, heavy duty skillet, was a great purchase. It definitely fit the needs of what I needed for cooking. It made everything really easy. Cooking everything in there, it was very fast. And I love the 8-quart because I was able to fit a lot of food in here and it didn't fall all over the place and leave a big mess how I normally would have it when I used my my stovetop with skillets or woks. If you are interested in this product or getting more specifications, click on the links below. And again, give this a try if you want to make some dishes, or if you've got a family of that you want to be able to cook more amounts of food on. And if you don't have a stove, I've been an artist and have had places where they don't have stoves where you live, and this is really handy to have. And so hope you like this and have a great day. Thanks for watching Buckwired.